Hello, lovely people. I hope you are doing well and that all is auspicious. So, welcome back to the fourth part of going through our revision for higher GCSE Paper 2, AQA, all that good stuff. Number 18. Four numbers have a mean of 10. The median is 8. Two of the numbers are 1 and 5. Work out the other two numbers. Okay. So, with this question, of course, let's start with the most obvious thing. Two of the numbers are 1 and 5. So, 1 and 5. And now we've got two other numbers. Let's just call them, I don't know, X and Y. We know that all four numbers have to add up and divide by 4 to make 10. Because if the mean is 10 and there are four numbers, 1 plus 5 plus X plus Y, all divided by 4 must equal 10. Which means that if after dividing by 4 it gives you 10, the total of these numbers, 1 plus 5 plus X plus Y, the sum, that's got to be equal to 40. So we already know that the numbers have to be kind of big. But they can't be too big because the median has to be 8. So let's address the fact that the median has to be 8. That means the median which falls here, halfway between 5 and X, has to be 8. So essentially, 5 plus this number here divided by 2. This is how you work out the halfway point. You add up the numbers and you divide by 2. That's going to give you 8, which means that those two numbers must give you 16. So therefore, X is going to have to be 11. So now I'm just going to change color. That tells us what X is, which means that you've got 1, 5, 11, and Y. And we also know that all the numbers have to add up to 40. So if you have 1 plus 5 plus 11 plus Y is equal to 40, well, that gives you 17 plus Y equals 40, which implies that Y must be equal to 23. So we're good. Those are our answers. X equals 11 and Y equals 23. That's it for that question. Next, a company makes bags of toffees. Love toffees. The company checks that the bags contain 50 toffees. The number of toffees in the sample of 11 bags is this. Wow, it's supposed to contain 50 toffees. So what's gone on here? Where are all these mistakes coming from? Okay. Well, what's the mode? Which number comes up the most? Because the mode means the most. I see 50 come up here once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. The number 51, though, comes up once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and 5 times. Ooh, 51's the winner. So the mode is 51. Okay, next, work out the median. You must show you're working. Well, median, we've got to put all the numbers in order. So the smallest number we have is 43. Then we have, what's the next smallest number? It's going to have to be 50. And how many times does 50 come up? It comes up 4 times. So 50, 50, 50, 50. Then we've got 51, 51, 51, 51, 51. That comes up 5 times. Okay, then we've got 52 and 43. So remember, with the median, wait, not 43, just 52. So let me just check that I've done that correctly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've got 11 numbers there. And yeah, that's come off of there. So remember, we've always got to make sure that the numbers are in order before we can work out the median. So the middle number is going to be, well, if we just cross off from each side. And there we go. That gives us the middle number of 51. Okay, so our median is 51. As a side note, which probably should be more of a main note, especially if you're doing, say, the higher tier, you probably want to know this. But to work out the position of the middle number, you take the number of numbers that you have, which in this case is 11, you add 1, and then divide your answer by 2, giving you 6. So it tells us that the median is in the 6th position. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so that tells us what that is. Again, as a side note for this question, but hopefully a main note if you're doing harder questions than median. Okay, and then it says work out the mean. Oh dear, they really want us to do the most of this. Okay, so I can just about see the numbers. So that was 43 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 51 plus 51 plus 51 plus 51 plus 51 plus 52. And we're dividing all of that by 11. At this stage, honestly, you can just put this into the calculator. This is the calculator job. So that sound that you heard there was the sound of my calculator slotting it all together. So I'm just going to input that. So 43 plus 50 plus 50 plus 5. And it gives you 50. How about that? The mean is 50. Okay. Next question. Oh dear. The company claims there are 50 toffees in a bag. Give a reason why this claim seems fair. Okay. Well, this claim seems fair because the mean is 50, right? The mean number of toffees is also 50. That's why it seems fair. It seems fair to say that, you know, your mean is 50. Cool. Give a reason why this claim seems unfair. Well, okay. Why does it seem unfair? Well, 2 reasons. The mode is 51 and the median is also 51. So both the mode and median are 51, not 50. Okay, this question is long. Wow. The company uses the first 11 bags produced each Monday to check the contents. State 2 ways in which this method of sampling can be improved. Okay. Well, if the company uses the first 11 bags produced each Monday, first of all, how many bags are normally produced each Monday? So containing 50, sample of 11 bags. Okay, fine. If they're using the first 11 bags produced each Monday to check the contents, well, it's probably not such a good idea to only check on Monday because things can go wrong on Tuesday, could go wrong on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the other days that they all the other days that they work during the week. So you can improve it by check bags on different days of the week of the week, not just Monday. So, if you're checking 11 bags, you could check maybe 2 on Monday, 2 on Tuesday, 2 on Wednesday, 2 on Thursday, and then 3 on Friday. That adds up to 11. Okay. The first 11 bags produced each Monday to check the contents. Maybe not check the first 11 bags, because it could be that loads of mistakes are made near the beginning and then the machine repairs itself later on. So check throughout the day. Sorry, not throughout the day, but check maybe not the first 11, but the first and then the middle and the last, something like this. Or a simpler version actually is just to say check more bags. Check more than 11 bags. The results would be more reliable. So when it comes to writing these questions, writing answers to these, don't be afraid to write down what you mean. We're not looking for these magic, sophisticated answers that only very few people can write down. Just write down what's logical. These are things that we can definitely think about. Write it down. Okay? Don't worry about phrasing it in the absolute best way possible. It's okay. We understand what you mean, as long as you say what you mean. Okay, next. Which of these is used to work out density? Well, the formula for density equals mass over volume. So that's mass divided by volume. So there we go. Yeah, mass divided by volume is that one there. That's it. That's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Take care for now.